Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Blofin in 2025. Whether you're switching platforms for better trading options or just exploring new opportunities, this step-by-step process will make it easy and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, before you start, ensure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Blofin. Also, make sure you have some crypto in your Coinbase wallet and that your accounts are secured with two-factor authentication. It's 2025, so let's keep things safe. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Portfolio, section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. Click on the Send, or Withdraw, button for that asset. You'll be prompted to enter a recipient address, but hold on, we need to get that from Blofin first. Step 3. Switch to your Blofin account. Log in, go to the Deposit or Wallet section, and select the same cryptocurrency. Blofin will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy it carefully to avoid any errors. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste the Blofin wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check that you're using the correct network type, such as ERC20 for Ethereum tokens, to prevent any failed transfers. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to account for network fees. They can vary based on congestion. Review all the details, then hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain network. Once it's done, log back into Blofin and verify that your crypto has arrived. And there you have it. Your crypto is now on Blofin. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and security best practices. If you run into any issues, both platforms have great support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.